Pampanga dito nga sa ating Game 1, and that is our game at hand. The Game 1 of the finals, the Davao Occidental Tigers kontra Pampanga G Lanterns. Richard Santos Clarin as first possession. Balti taps it to the wrong man. Buti na lang, andun si Del Rosario. Galing dito sa Davao ng Coach Pancho.
Yes, so interesting right here if what adjustments will Davao Occidental Tigers will make against this guy.
Grabe, the up and under.
Nung sa PSL timeout natin, and so pinapagit natin talaga ever since naglaro si Justin Baltasar, never pang natalo dito ang Pampanga G Lanterns.
But this guy might be the neutralizer.
A member of the second Mythical 5 all-defensive
team.
Nasa Hinebra siya.
Totoo. A good pick and roll by Wilson to balagtas and one. Our finals MVP ng Pearl of the Orient
Yes.
Cup.
Look how ready the Davao Occidental Tigers that time. Alam nila na mag-a-attract ng defense si Justin Baltasar at doon nalilibre si Louis. Tigers are there to grab that rebound.
And that's something that they have to do. Is ito, Calo attacks Baltazar. Calo with 5 quick points.
Hot start dito. So because the past few games, they always have a slow start.
Flat lagi. Is ito, Calo on the other end. Good up pick. 7 points for Eman Calo.
This is the kind of Davao Occidental Tigers. Talagang hinahabol nila.
Wilson, one dribble, pull up is good for Mr. Sexy Shot.
Yes. Mr. Sexy yet deadly shot, John Wilson.
Sinabi nga natin, Coach Pancho, kanina sa PSL timeout, di ba? It's Wilson time sa playoffs as a 3-pointer is made for King Caralipio. Finally,
Yung complexion na laro. And
yes.
Eman Calo right now has 2 fouls.
ito, Dagangon, pull-up 3-pointer is good. The hot shooting of the Tigers, hindi pa rin nawawala, Coach Pancho.
As we take a look at those coaching staff of the Pampanga G Lanterns kanina.
Oh, Edsel taking Baltazar to school there.
That's
An opportunity for the defending champions. Rayson, there's a blitz. They dump it down to Kevin Santos, and that's his territory.
too easy. Sabi ni Kevin Santos that time.
22-point performance, 24-point performance,
Yes.
di ba? Ito, Dagangon from the outside. Gab is 2 for 2 from the Rainbow Country.
Yes, he is expected to
Gives it to his running mate, Robbie Celis. Robbie gets the first step, but Santos bothered it enough. Pero nandun si Robles for the tip-in.
yes, kanina deep.
Even ang kalamangan dito ng Tigers. Louis creates some space. Louis, wala yun, but Santos on the follow.
Yes. Kevin Santos must step up, especially if
Point already for the young skyscrapers. Ito, Celis looking to dance against Sanggalang. Robbie, fadeaway shot is good for the Pinoy Dirk Nowitzki.
yes, kanina at some point Calo before committing 2 personal fouls each.
It's a 7-point lead for the Tigers, 27-20. Magbabalik po tayo for the second quarter ng laban ng Davao Occidental Tigers versus Pampanga G Lanterns sa Game 1 ng PSL Dumper Cup Finals. As another pick and pop by Wilson. And Rodriguez wala, but Binuya with a rebound.
3-on-2 break.
Louis, eye in the sky to Archie. Screen. Gives it to Binuya.
8 seconds on their shot clock.
Are they aware? Binuya fires and gets it to go for the hometown hero.
Wow. The pride of San Fernando, Pampanga. Eto na tayo.
And he is talking to Kit Jimenez. Sabi niya, let's go. As they tie the game right here. Calo with a scoop shot. 9 points now for Eman Calo.
Wow. Veteran move by Eman Calo. The arms.
Encelada 3-pointer. No good.
Again, another offensive rebound.
Sanggalang puts it up and in. And lamang na ang Pampanga.
The defending champions needs to do. Davao Occidental Tigers was there to get those offensive rebounds.
Yes. Sanggalang. Favorite shot. Gets the hometown roll.
Wow, what a bounce by Luis Sanggalang. Eto na.
Ito, Coach Pancho.
Yes,
They've only scored 2 points in the second quarter.
yes, they were held scoreless for about 3 minutes until that
Until
basket.
that play, what a pass by Wilson, creating that shot for Larry Rodriguez.
Right, so
Balti serving. Where are they gonna go to on their offense? Binuya. The scoop is good! Razzle dazzle galing dito kay Raymond. Match na, Coach Pancho, no? A guard being defended by a center. Ito, Calo gives it to Wilson, pulls the trigger. It's good! for Mr. Sexy Shot.
What can you ask more do sa defense? Nada is doing a great job dito kay Eman Calo, ah.
Agovida with an offensive rebound, gives it back to Wilson. Back to back, it's good again for Mr. Sexy Shot.
There's no defender that
He extends this lead of the Tigers to 4. He shoots again. John Wilson with 13 first half points.
wow, double figures na agad si John Miller. Ulit ang kanilang play dito. Baksak sa post and then kick out.
Grayson step back three-pointer. And finally, he gets a three-point shot to go in.
Sa opensa, magdediretso to.
Calo gives it to Wilson, the hot man on the floor. Wilson again! His 4th triple of the quarter.
Wow. Ito, same play ulit, ha.
Grayson decides to drive. Good drop pass to Caralipio. King to Balti. An easy layup yan para sa kanya. Tobido. Good pass to Agovida pero nabitin nga lang yung layup.
That's because of Kevin Santos.
And Caralipio with a walk in the park layup right there.
From defense to offense from the Pampanga.
The defending champions are up by 145 to 44. Babalik po tayo dito sa Pilipinas Super League for the second half.
Review natin.
Wilson, quick trigger, beats the buzzer.
Wow. That's not an easy shot. Coming from a quick curl, beating the 6-point lead na. Oo nga, iba ang John Wilson ngayon.
Louis scoops it to the other side.
Yeah, finally, after being silent.
Right here from the top of the key. Caralipio, good curl, good up pick. King puts it up and in, plus a foul.
What a patient play by King Caralipio. But before that, that was a
Third period. Louis. They go back again to Baltazar, create some space. Balti. How do you stop that, Coach Pancho?
wow. Making na, meron na siya kagad dito. Kasi nga, ang dami niyang nadodraw na foul. Oh, what a good inside pass.
And Louis creating space underneath.
And how many times I said this, and si Luis ang galang doon.
As Balagtas airballs that jumper. Abundo needs to fire and Alvin puts it up and in.
Finally, a basket for the Davao Occidental Tigers. Si Coach Arvin Bonleon, yung kanyang family, si Brenda Bonleon and Ariana Bonleon watching right now sa Davao. And si Michelle Ibugan and Jenny Dialona ng Malita.
And that might spark itong 3-point party ng Pampanga.
Wow, grabe talaga yung mga adjustments na binibigay ng both teams as this time.
Oo, Robbie Celis, good fight by Abundo.
And so, that's why we're having this great game. Very close game.
Binuya to Caralipio, 3-pointer. It's good! Back-to-back triples for Pampanga.
Wow. And
Caralipio hit a three-pointer earlier, gives it to MJ, who hit also another 3 from that same spot. Same result for MJ Garcia!
wow. Another 3.
Triple of the ball game.
Right. And this is the biggest lead of the ball game. 9
Yes.
points. Ganun ka-close itong laban na to.
Abundo answers once again. He has scored the last 4 points for the Tigers.
Itong si Alvin Abundo.
Garcia decides to attack this time. Garcia puts it up and in. 8 points in this quarter for MJ Garcia.
How did that ball?
Nagmamadali sila to get that basket. Indeed, composure is power. Veteran Bon Custodio added, ang kalaban natin ay tayo lang rin. Huwag natin bigyan ng kumpiyansa ang kalaban.
Yes, look at the scrambling defense ng Pampanga G Lanterns. Ang bilis ng recovery, ang bilis mag-rotate.
And Nicole Sorella, first time on the floor,
And
scores over Kevin Santos.
oo.
Balti to Rayson. Thought he would rise and shoot that. Gives it to Baltazar. Balti over Robbie Celis.
Again, even though
Robles with the basketball.
both teams are in the penalty, they don't need to foul.
Robles flying in midair.
And
And di naaabot yung tira ni Craig. But this time in a Pampanga G Lanterns jersey as his team. The Pampanga G Lanterns is up by 7 points, 69 to 62. Kapit lang mga Superfans dahil sa pagbabalik natin. It's 4th and final quarter ng ating Game 1 dito sa Pilipinas Super League. Their semifinals average, no, Coach Pancho, where double figures pareho.
yes, so magkakatalo na lang dito. How can they turn those garbages into points?
At that time, the Tigers convert via Robbie.
A chance for the Davao Occidental Tigers to cut down the lead.
Wilson gets the three-pointer to go. That's his sixth of the ball game.
Yes, he was silent doon sa
Sanggalang with an offensive rebound. Garcia, one-handed shot, puts it up and in.
easy layup for MJ Garcia. Open yung driving lane doon and walang challenge dun sa mga red shirts. Bakit? Dahil nga may mga foul trouble sila.
But Gab Dagangon, 4 fouls and all will still... Yun pa yung tinutukan nila. Caralipio. Good drop pass. Balti with the reverse.
If you have 4 fouls, hindi mo na talaga isa-challenge.
MJ gives it to Binuya.
Okay, nowhere to go. 4 seconds on their shot clock.
Binuya puts it up and in! Again, a hometown bounce for the hometown here. Caralipio gives it to Concepcion.
Oh, what a
Archie,
fake.
one dribble, pull up is good for the pride of Mexico, Pampanga.
What a...
Pampanga trying to put the finishing touches on this ball game, and can they hold on to this lead?
They need to make a basket here.
Oh, Dagangon over Binuya.
Oo.
Much needed basket for the defending champion.
Again, they're feeling the pressure na kasi.
Caralipio to Sanggalang to Balti, and I thought he would throw it down, but nonetheless, that's still a high percentage shot for Balti.
And the passing. Look at the passing of those 3 big guys sa Pampanga G Lanterns.
Sorella.
That's the story.
Jumper is good.
One is very, very important. Especially, they will come visit na sa home court naman ng Davao sa game 2.
Oo. And Dagangon, humirit pa ng 3-pointers, down to 6 na lang.
A quick 3.
Dagangon will do that.
Almost.
No go. And that'll do it, Coach Pancho. Asorella lighting it up from 3-point line, but that will just change the final score as Pampanga G Lanterns defend their home floor right here. They take game 1 of this best of 3 series.
Wow. What a ball game. What a game 1. The interesting thing na nakita ko sa score, sa final score, 87-84. Yan din yung same score nila
sa Davao Super Tour.
Oo. Same score, 87-84 din.
But that time ng Davao Super Tour, it was Kurt Rayson ang nagpapanalo sa kanila. But this time, it's Balti Baltazar now making it 7 straight victories
Wow, still
since his entry.